Why AM versus PM skincare matters. Ever wonder why skincare routines are split into AM and PM? During the day, skin focuses on protection, defending against UV, pollution, and environmental stress. Sebum production is typically higher during the day, helping maintain the barrier and surface balance. At night, skin shifts gears, blood flow increases, and cellular repair processes become more active. Studies show the skin barrier may be slightly more permeable at night, allowing topical ingredients to interact differently. That's why morning routines often focus on protection, while nighttime routines support repair and recovery. When skincare aligns with skin biology, it simply works better.